Welcome to my channel, English Conversation. How's your day going?
It's going well, thank you. How about yours?
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting. What about you?
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV in the evenings. Do you?
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children. Do you?
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years. How about you?
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired. What about you?
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading. What kind of books do you like?
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. What's yours?
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite dish to cook?
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually relax and spend time with my family.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital. Where do you work?
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich for lunch. What about you?
How do you get to school?
I walk to school. How do you get there?
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6:30 a.m. What about you?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Yes, I'm going out for dinner. Do you have any plans?
What did you do last night?
I watched a movie at home. How about you?
Are you going on vacation soon?
Yes, I'm going to the beach next month. What about you?
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples. What's your favorite fruit?
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it. Do you like your job?
Where is the nearest restaurant?
It's just around the corner. You can walk there.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee. What about you?
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work to do. Are you busy?
What time do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m. What about you? What do you like to do after work?
I like to relax and watch TV. How about you?
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love chocolate ice cream. What's your favorite?
Are you learning any new skills?
Yes, I'm learning how to cook. Are you learning anything new?
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturdays the most. What's your favorite day?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea. What do you prefer?
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 7 p.m.
Do you like playing games? Yes, I enjoy playing board games with friends. What about you? Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I've been to Thailand. Have you traveled abroad?
What's your favorite season of the year?
I like spring. What's your favorite season?
Are you afraid of heights?
Yes, I am. Are you?
How do you relax?
I like to listen to music. How do you relax?
How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. What about you?
Where are you going after this?
I'm going home. What about you?
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. Do you live alone?
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week. How often do you go?
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love Yummy Restaurant. Have you been there?
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets. Do you?
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually have breakfast and check my emails. What about you?
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram. Do you use social media?
What's your favorite snack?
I like chips. What's your favorite snack?
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I have a small party with friends and family.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, but I'm not very good at it. Do you sing?
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't. Do you?
What do you usually wear to work?
I usually wear a shirt and pants. What do you wear?
What kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food. What kind of food do you like?